One thing I would recommend is make sure this top is firmly down when boiling, because if it's left a little crack here, the steam will come up and burn your hand. So you want to make sure that's down. I saw other reviews that it burned people's hands. I think it's because this wasn't down all the way. It's very secure, so you want to just make sure it's down all the way, and then you'll never have that steam come up. It's very easy to use, very lightweight, a lot lighter than I thought, but still a very nice kettle.
Toutes déjà brisées. Sinon ici aussi.
Broadway was closed for several hours as police